I started trading almost 6 years ago, and it took me over 3 years to learn this simple secret about price action that completely changed everything for me. Before I learned this secret, I would feel like some days every trade I would take was a red trade, and some days every trade I would take was a green trade, but I had no idea why. I did not know the why aspect. In this video, I will reveal the secret I learned about price action and what helped me go from being an unprofitable trader to a profitable trader. This video will be split into 2 parts as always. One part will be the actual explanation and the price action strategy, and the second part will be the live chart examples of us executing our trades. Make sure you watch this entire video through without skipping so you don't miss any key details. Trading is super meticulous, and missing something small can change the entire output. Before I jump into this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment the word done when you guys are finished watching the entire video. Let's shoot for a 100 like goal on this video, and I'll continue posting helpful and educational content for you guys. Don't forget to join the Discord server. If you guys want to come live trade with me, I live trade in there every single day, post my trades, go live, post my analysis, and I have all of my strategies in the Discord server. So make sure you guys go to the first link in the description, join the Discord. It's absolutely free. I have a 500 to 50k trading challenge right now, and I'm posting every single trade I take in there, so don't miss out. The first thing I'm gonna go over before I jump into the actual strategy is the candles we're gonna be looking out for. When we identify a bullish reversal, there is a certain pattern that we look for with the candles versus when we identify a bearish reversal. I'm just gonna show you guys 2 examples of what a bullish reversal can look like. So when a stock hits a order block or a liquidity zone, you are most likely going to see candles that look like this. They have long wicks and small bodies. Now this is a key indicator that we are reversing into the opposite direction. This pattern typically appears on the 5-minute and the 1 hour. Obviously, the more you get into the broader time frames, you're not going to see it, but in this example, we're just going to stick to the 5-minute candles. Why is this wick important? When you guys see a reversal wick occurring, you guys can simply create a box here, set up your long position with a stop loss below the break of the wick, and this can be used as a point where your trade becomes invalidated. Same exact ordeal here. You guys can see, using the wicks that we created off the reversal, we can create a nice strong zone for ourselves, set up a long position right here. Boom, set the stop loss below. On the flip side, you could do the same exact thing for the short position here. And for our bearish reversal, we're going to have a short position. And the same ordeal over here. Boom, boom. So this is an example of how you can utilize these bearish reversal price action candles. I was completely disregarding these wicks, and I would just think it's another candle forming. The likelihood of it meaning anything is very low, and I never really took it into consideration. But the more you look out for these wicked out candles, the better your strategy becomes. Now, this is not the only strategy you're going to want to use. There's going to be an actual trading strategy I'm going to show you guys in a demonstration here that can greatly increase your win rate. So coming down to our chart here, I'm going to show you guys a couple live examples of some trades I actually took using this strategy. First and foremost, we're going to want to look out for the 9 to 9:30 a.m. time frame. We're going to want to add the indicator vwap to our charts. So if you want to go to the indicator tab here, type in vwap, add a volume weighted average price to our chart. It's going to look something similar to this. Now for this strategy, you are not going to want to trade the first 2 hours of market open. This reversal strategy works really well between 9 to 9:45 a.m. Pacific time. So that is relatively during lunchtime, and that is when I've seen the most consistent reversals happening. So coming into our chart here, first thing you want to do is you want to completely ignore the first few hours or 2 hours of market open. You are not going to want to take any trades because this is going to be the most volatile and uncertain time during the markets. And I'm just going to use this zone to map out the first few hours, and you guys can see this is the first 2.5 hours of market open here that we are not going to trade, and we're just gonna let play out. Once we identify the first 2 hours of market open that we're not going to trade, we are going to map out the highs and we're going to map out the lows. So once I have the highs and lows of the first 2 hours of market open, it is going to give us a decent range to trade off of. Now, paying attention to our reversals here, you guys can see that we actually have the reversal price action occurring over here, and we also have it occurring up here. Now, what we're going to be looking for after the first 2 hours, within this 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. time frame, we're going to be looking for another possible reversal. This is where our VWAP comes into play. We're going to be looking for a reversal for the upside below the lower band. So in order for us to take calls or long the stock or ticker, we're going to be looking at a break or entry below the lower band VWAP. For puts or shorts, we're going to be looking at a break for the downside above the upper band. Once we break below our lower band VWAP, it is telling us that the market is oversold. It is ready to reverse and get bought back up soon. You guys can see we actually created our reversal candle down here. Price action is going to forecast a long position for us. This is actually one of the trades I took live in the Discord server, and we secured over 80% profit on this trade alone. Now you may be wondering, what is this VWAP indicator useful for other than identifying where we're going to reverse? VWAP is actually really good tool for identifying our trim points. The first trim target is going to be the lower band right here. Second trim target is going to be the middle band, and the third trim point or our exit is going to be the upper band. This is just another example of the strategy playing out perfectly, and I'm just going to demo this one really quickly. So first 2 hours of market open, we are not going to trade. You're going to mark your highs, mark your lows. Once price breaks below the lower band VWAP here, you guys can see at around 9:30 a.m. is where we bottom out and the reversal begins. And then as always, we have our trim targets at the lower band VWAP, middle band, and the upper band. As the trade is going higher and higher, you're going to want to trim and continue moving your stop loss higher and higher into profit. Simply by utilizing time and price action candles, you can catch some pretty nice reversal trades. And this is just another example of a trade we took in the Discord server, securing us over 100% profit. Now I day trade every single day in the Discord server. If you guys want to come join me and start day trading, click the first link in the description. Every single strategy that I use and use to day trade is posted in my Discord server, and that Discord is absolutely free to join. So if you guys want to be a part of the community, click the first link in the description and I'll see you guys in there. I also have a 500 to 50k day trading challenge going on right now, where I'm taking $500 and trading that all the way up to 50k. So if you guys want to come join that and follow the trades, all that information is in the Discord as well. So make sure you guys join that, and I'll see you guys in there. Take care.